Hey everyone and welcome back. In the previous video we have learned how to set up our main activity and main screen. But right here we want to add our room screen and our view model to our project. I'm going to add a Kotlin file named RoomScreen, and inside it it's going to be a composable with the name of RoomScreen. For the modifiers, the four parameters, I'll get the room name of type string and username of type string nullable. Let's add the view model also. Let's create a new package. Name it ViewModels. I'm going to add a new class named main view model, since I'll use only one view model. Let's annotate it with health view model, and we'll have the add inject constructor, and it's going to extend from view model of Android. Okay, let's go back to our room screen. What I need here is going to create my view model of type main view model, and its value is going to be health view model. Simple as that. Okay, after that I'll create media streams map, which is the state of the current streams of the room participants. So I'll use media streams map.value, but I'll add it to my view model later in a second. So let's go to my main view model and add the variable that I'm going to need here. Okay, so this is going to be a state to hold media streams keyed by usernames to update compose state. To update compose, it's going to be val media stream map, and it's going to be mutable state of a map of string to media stream, and it's going to be empty map initially, just like that. So let's go back to my room screen, and this media streams map should be exact same name as this. And using this media stream map, we are going to update our list of participants of the room. So we are going to have a scroll state. It's going to be remember scroll state. Now it's time to create our rows of the room screen. The modifier is going to be field max size and a padding of 16 dp, and the vertical scroll is going to be scroll state. Let's import this one. And also horizontal alignment is equal to center horizontally, and vertical arrangement is going to be center. Okay, inside this one, first we have to have our local surface or holder of the local stream or camera. To do that, let me add some components inside my UI. I'll add the components package and explain to you what is this component. It's actually a SurfaceViewRenderer component, which has the Android view and a title on top of it. So the title would be the name of the username, And this Android view is going to create a frame layout and then add the surface view. So if you do not know what the surface view is, it's a component or it's a simple view inside the WebRTC package that is going to preview the stream of a camera. Either it's local or it's remote stream. So back to my room screen, I'm going to add the first surface view renderer composable with the username that is being received from the class if it's not null, and then the modifier is going to be fill max width with the height of 250.dp. So it has a listener. When the view is ready, it's going to fire a callback that local surface view is ready. So we will use the ViewModel and call the join room with the variable that we have, room name. Why is this named like this? Room name, and then the username. So we will add this one later to the ViewModel, but below that, let's go with the spacer with a height of 20 dp. So below this spacer, we want to use this media stream map and use a for each with the name of username and media stream, just like that. We will create a SurfaceViewRenderer composable with the username of username. Let's actually rename this to name to not duplicate with this one with the height of 250.dp. Let's actually move both of them to this column, just like that, and these two should be wrapped inside the parentheses. So down here we will have the remote surface, and what to do is to ViewModel that's prepare remote surface. I'll add it in a second. Remote surface, and then media streams dot video tracks, get the index of 0 and check if it's not null. Then we want to add sync to remote surface. So we need to add two functions. The first one is join room. Let's create the member function inside this ViewModel, and it should not be null. Just like that. And then we should create another function. Simple as that. Let's bring them below here. Okay, so before moving to the next video, we want to set up a way to navigate from the home screen or main screen to our room screen. To do that, we should add these composable inside our nav host. So let's go to the constants. Let's add the const val room screen variable, which is going to be like this, room screen, and add the room name parameter and user name parameter, just like that, and a function to get room screen, and we will pass the room name of type string and username of type string, which is going to be equal to room screen along with the room name and with the username, just like that. So let's go back to main navigation. We want to add a new composable here. Below this one, I'll add a composable with the route of RoomScreen. And the arguments is going to be list of nav arguments, and the name is going to be room name. Type is going to be nav type dot string type, and add another one. It's going to be username this time. Okay, so this composable is going to have a room name is equal to its dot arguments. When it's created, it's going to get string with the name of room name. Same goes for username. And then our room screen is going to be created with the room name and username variable. Okay, now we have a way to navigate to our room screen. Let's go back to our main screen at the moment, and inside the button that we marked to navigate to video conference screen later, right here I want to use nav controller and navigate to a route which is inside the constants get room screen, and for the variable we will pass room name dot value and username dot value. Simple as that. Let's run our application and check if it's working fine. So let's type room1 and user1. Press join. We can see that we successfully created our local surface view renderer, and we are ready to proceed and move to the next steps. Okay, that's it for this video. On the next video, we will learn how to set up the basic for WebRTC and start the connection between media server and our backend. So till the next video, see you everyone.